Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Binance Key step by step. Start by logging into your Binance account and enabling 2FA to secure access. Next, navigate to the API management area, name your key, and follow the on-screen verification steps. Record your API key and secret in a secure password manager immediately because you will not see the secret again. Limit IP access and permissions to reduce risk while using integrations or bots. Create your API key by going to API Management and naming the key so you remember its purpose. Follow email and 2FA verification prompts to confirm creation and prove it is you. When the API key and secret appear, copy both immediately into a secure password manager and do not share them. Configure permissions like spot trade only when necessary and set IP restrictions to limit access to trusted servers or your own home IP. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and surprisingly good at avoiding cords, a neat time saver when you trade or tinker. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more gear tips, I can share favorites in comments. Now let's get back to the video. After creating the key, tighten security by setting IP restrictions and granting minimal permissions needed for your use case. Avoid enabling withdraw unless absolutely required, and consider separate keys for trading versus transfers. Test the key using read-only API calls or a sandbox to ensure connectivity and correct permissions. Monitor activity in your Binance account, rotate keys periodically, and revoke any key that shows suspicious behavior to protect funds and integrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.